Tyson, wake, dude! You are gonna be late for training. Hey, you listening to me? Training? I hate training. Tyson, you still lazing around. You had sleep for days. If I wasn't here too. Get up, get you up. Come on, get up. It's a great day and we have got a train before we get groceries. Tyson, you feel me, dog. Yeah? Sure, Grandpa. Just a little tired, that's all. Man, I had this strange dream last night about a dragon. It was weird, like I had known it all my life. But it was also stranger, and it was so real. Dragon? Kids these days always dreaming. That's full of bumbo jumbo. Looks, you got 5 minutes. Get your rear in gear and meet me in the dojo. You had best not keep me. The dojo? You had best not keep me waiting. I hate training. All I wanna do is battle those kids down at the park. I promise I had see them down there this morning. Me and Dragonstorm here will show me who is king of the streets. Tyson, hurry up, dude. I can't marinate in here all day. Oh, I suppose I had better go, otherwise I won't hear the end of it. Oh no, you didn't trying to creep up out of here. Where you? Come on. Follow me. I got something to show you. Tyson, I have been thinking this vague dreams of yours. Huh? I believe there is a reason you dream about dragons. But you said that kids these days. I know what I said, dog. Check it out. When I was your age, I also dreamed about a big OL dragon. You know about the family sword? You should. I have told you about it often enough. Look closely, little dude. See here, babe, the family crest. It's a dragon. A dragon from your dream? Yeah, Grandpa, what are you saying? It's the dragon from my dream too. For generations, this sword has been hunted down from father to son. The power contained within this sword has helped keep our family strong. I am all, Tyson. Soon you will be the master of this sword, destiny. Someday you might need its help. all you gotta do is ask, get help from a dragon. Are you feeling okay, Grandpa? I am fit as a fiddle. Now get hip to my joy or you will be in big trouble. Whoa. Okay, settle down. I am hip. That's more like it. Enough, come on, Tyson, put all thoughts of dragon to the back of your mind. It's time for some kendo up in this dojo. Oh, come on, Grandpa. I want to try out my new Beyblade. Can't we train later? No, you must train. Training helps you win. Training makes you stronger. Training makes you a big baller. Short collar. How can you expect to get anywhere in life if you don't train and exercise regularly? Get ready. Now Tyson 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Jump 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7. Hip. Come on, you can do better than it. Ouch. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Good. Watch it. Okay, that's enough for today. Hold up, dog. Can you feel it, Tyson? Can I feel what, Grandpa? The power, Tyson, the power. You showed a real kendo attitude today, little dude. Can't you feel the strength flowing through you? You know I did feel something too. I do feel stronger. Ha ha ha. See, training is good for you. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Yeah, sure is. Tyson? Yeah, Grandpa. Aren't you forgetting something? We're supposed to go shopping, remember? Oh yeah, sure. But Grandpa, I just have to go down to the park to try out my new Beyblade. And well, okay, go ahead. I can get the grab my own self. You can go and play, but be careful, okay? Thanks, Grandpa. Sure thing. See ya later, Grandpa. Hey, there, Ray. So Tyson, how goes it? Oh, just hanging around. Yeah, me too. Anyway, I just practicing my launch techniques. Do you want to watch? Okay, then let's go over the basics. Here is the basic launcher. And this is a basic ripcord. The ripcord inserted into the launcher. And the Beyblade goes in here. Press the A button to insert the ripcord into the launcher. The idea is to pull the ripcord as hard you can. Tap the A button to push the ripcord into the launcher. Then tap again to pull the ripcord and let it rip, like so. Here is number here. This shows how fast the Beyblade is spinning. The higher the number, the better. Do you want to hear it again? Okay, the trick to a good launch and high RPMs is in the timing. Like I said, tap the A button to push the remote into the launcher. Then tap the A button again when the remote is as far in the launcher as possible. Watch. If you were to tap here, you had get a full power grip up to the limits of your own strength, skill, and EXP. It's no use tapping here as the RTM. Value would be as so slow you would lose very quickly. So now you get that. Why don't you try? Wow, Tyson, you are a natural. Good work. Tyson, no. Okay, do you understand? Do you want to hear about timing again? No. Okay, nice work, Tyson. One last thing I need to tell you. Before you can launch into the base stadium, you have to wait for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. You can only launch after the count of 1 and during that time let it trip is displayed. Otherwise you will forfeit the round. Watch. Do you understand? Do you want to hear about the countdown again? Okay, it's your turn. Give it a try. Yeah, well done. You want to try again? Would you like to try a battle with me? Yeah, sure, why not? Sorry, I seem to have forgotten my launcher. Hey, that is no problem. Use one of mine. Person receives a launcher. Thanks, Ray. Hey, you can't keep it, you know. Sorry, Ray, I seem to have forgotten my report. Hey, that's no problem. Use one of mine. Person receives a report. Thanks, Ray. Hey, you can't keep it, you know. My mind's just not on it today. You're still learning, Tyson. What do you expect? Oh, by the way, I just wanted to see you. He's gonna be at home soon. Hey there, I am Sean. What's your name? I am Tyson. Are you sure you wanna battle me with your Dragonstone? Oh yeah, I'm sure Dragonstone will be just fine. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Bro, looks like I need more practice. Alright, I did it. Press the A button to attack. I got a cool blade, kid. I cost 30. What's I say? Sure thing, kid. Come back if you change your mind. Doesn't everyone is here? Have you got everything? Yes. You're taking strong with you. Of course. And your ripcord and launcher? Yes.